Hello to all my Lovin light beings. Welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D, and this here is Green. In today's video, we're doing our IPSY Glam Plus unboxing. If you'd like to join the Secret Sacred Shadow Society, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. And if you'd like to see how I created this St. Patrick's Day look, please check out my previous video. I did get this a few days ago. I haven't done my unboxing yet. I've been really busy with family and friends. So the first thing it says when you open it up is Glam Bag Plus. Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. They start shipping them in this foam boxes. This is actually my second IPSY Glam Plus. The first one I got was last month, February. And so on the second of each month, for 24 hours, they give subscribers the option of doing add-ons. And I did 3 add-ons this month. They're usually $3 for a deluxe size or $12 for a full-size sample. So this was one of the options, this SL Miss Glam brush. This is a short shader. I do have a few of them. So this was an actual $3 for an add-on. So I got that, and then I got this Space Case Cosmetics single shadow, and this is in the shade Alien Love Child. So this was $3 as well. It's very creamy and buttery. It reminds me of the ColourPop. So there's the shade there. It's kind of a light, translucent purple. So that would be really good, actually, maybe on top of like a darker purple. So there it looks. There's how it looks with it on top of a different shade. I had just done a little mini haul also from ColourPop. That's why my arm is all swatched up. So if you'd like to see that, please check out my previous 2 videos. The first one I'll post is my mini haul, and then I'm going to do how I created my St. Patrick's Day look, followed by this one. So I do have one more thing. I was super stoked about this. This is the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in Star Island. I think originally these are $35, and I got this as a $3 add-on, which was amazing. I know a few people had actually got these in their mini IPSY Glam bags. Unfortunately, I won't be getting one in mine, but there's the highlighter there. Super bright, super blingy. Let's go ahead and just add a little bit right on top of my existing highlighter. I have Money Honey under this, so it's not really going to make a difference, but it's definitely there. Look at that bling. It's definitely blinding, so I'm super loving this. You want to get down? Okay. Get down then. It's okay. So every month, this IPSY Glam Plus goes for $25. They always include this little flyer with a description of the products and the full retail price. So the first thing they have in here is by Perlice. This is the Butter Me Orange Creamsicle Body Butter. And it actually smells like a creamsicle. I opened this box while my sister was here. And I'm not really into hand or body cream lotion. So she really liked this, so I'll be giving this to her. Retail value is $24. It says, if we're being real, we'll spend so much time, energy, and money on our skincare routine, which is so true. And that's just from the neck up. The skin below needs some TLC too. This body butter is fortified with coconut oil to soften and nourish skin. The orange and vanilla don't just smell good, they rejuvenate dull skin while calming it with anti-inflammatory benefits. Plus, sweet stuff like sugarcane and fruit extracts deeply moisturize, promote elasticity in the skin, and give you a more youthful appearance. So that's going to my sister. The next thing that they show in here is by Real Her I Am Adaptable liquid lipstick. Retail value is $14. And it's this very deep red, almost like a darker coral red. So there it is there. Let's see if it's cruelty-free. I am not, oh there it is. Certified cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, infused with Linnaeus alba seed oil. So one of the definite ingredients in here is red 7, and they do tend to stain a little bit, so I would recommend using a primer underneath. That way it just makes it a little bit easier to come off. So it says, let's see, sometimes you just need a reminder that you're stronger than you think. This lipstick boosts your look and your outlook. It goes with tons of non-drying pigment. So get a poppy red pout in a single swipe, and the tube features the quote, "I am adaptable." It represents the ability that we all have to overcome and adapt to life's many struggles. It means progress, perseverance, and finding the strength within yourself to carry on. So that's a great little message. And then the next thing I was super excited about is this Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions. Retail value is $27. There's the shades there. We know you're not the type to like being tied down. Luckily, this all-in-one eyeshadow palette doesn't require a seat to your vanity. The travel-friendly compact houses 9 versatile matte and shimmer shades. Apply matte shades with a dry brush or intensify the shimmer shades with a wet brush for added intensity. So this has been out for a while. I'm not going to swatch it because I have an armful here. So maybe when I use this, we'll do a review and include some swatches in that as well. But I was really excited for this because I'm not into nudes. I'm more of a bold color, if you can't tell. So the next thing they have listed in here is the Farrah brushes, a 5-piece eye perfection set. Really happy about these. I can't wait to try them. The retail value is $50, so that's about $10 a brush. Call us high maintenance, but it's not enough for our makeup brushes to help with your favorite products go on It's not enough for our makeup brushes to help our favorite products go on flawlessly. They should also look pretty on our vanity when not using them. This metallic brush set looks super luxe, and the 100% vegan bristles make application a breeze. Really excited about those. And then last, and certainly not least, but it is last item in here. This is by Benefit Cosmetics. This is the Sunbeam Golden Bronze Complexion Highlighter. Retail value is $26. It says, we like the beach, but it's really only because we love the glow the sun leaves on our cheeks. This golden shade warms up all skin tones like a bronzer and reflects light like a highlighter in a natural looking way. So it's a bronzer highlighter, I guess, in one. It kind of looks like a nail polish. I'm going to swatch it right here in between these two colors. I got a pretty good amount on there. It's definitely creamy. It's got a lot of reflect in there. I can feel it drying down. But that's it, you guys, for my March IPSY Glam Plus. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I enjoy reading each and every single one of your comments, so please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. I am also going to be including a link in the description box of my Instagram and Twitter accounts, so please follow those. And if you really enjoyed this video, go ahead and share. The more the merrier. See you in the next one.